Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today, we got some happy mail.
Thank you so much, Mana and Darren, for sending us your awesome 12-piece tea party set.
The teacup is the perfect size for our 18-inch dolls.
At Dolls Rescue, they made this custom with their 3D printer in a colour of our choice. We are so lucky to have been sent this item.
We also won this volleyball uniform, which is going to be perfect for our Kyle doll.
Great idea to have tea in the gazebo, Joss.
Thanks, I'm glad you could come.
Game finished late, sorry. Sandwiches. I'm starving.
Kyle! We highly recommend you check out Mana at Dolls Rescued. We'll leave a link in the description box. Once again, a massive thank you for all these fantastic items.